Alright, y'all, we got Mike on the 125 today as they come east with Tier 4 and ES 44. A lot of empty trash on the head. Gliding, baby. Probably the best power they can use on this in terms of the long haul. I apologize, y'all. It's too fucking cold. I know y'all are gonna see this video on my YouTube TFM box, and you're gonna see all the shaking. It's not. I can't control it. It's too cold. Cargill cut. "43 cars. Let's get the hell out of here, boys." That's it for me today. On TCMX L125 on WRWKGATX on the back. Good seeing you, Mike. Time to get in the damn warm